If you're a beginner in makeup, then this video is for you. Hello guys, this is Anisha Annie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you a step-by-step procedure on how to wear a makeup. Before starting your makeup, you need to know 3 golden rules, that is CTM. C is cleanser, which means cleansing your face. It means cleaning your face with a face wash. Cleaning your face will remove excess dirt and oil from your skin. T is toner, which tones your skin and makes your makeup look flawless at the end. M is moisturizer, which is used to help moisture your skin and make your skin look perfect at the end after your makeup. You need to follow the CTM procedure before starting your makeup, because it will give you a flawless look at the end of the makeup. In this video, I don't use a toner as I don't have it, so I just clean my face with a cleanser and then directly apply moisturizer. If you don't have a toner, then just after cleaning your face with the cleanser, then you can directly apply moisturizer.
After cleaning my face with face wash, I'm applying a moisturizer. I'm using Dot & Key moisturizer. It's a gel-based moisturizer which is suitable for my oily skin. This gel moisturizer will hydrate my skin, giving it a matte finish look. Dabbing it into my whole face for a moistured base. In the next step, we should apply a primer. Here I'm using Mars primer. Primer is used for minimizing pores and mattifying the skin. I have a lot of pores all over my face, so I'm applying it to minimize the pore structure on my face. I'm using a Vaseline on my lips. To hydrate the lips, we have to apply a Vaseline or a lip balm is also fine. Next, I'm using Mars concealer palette. This is the color palette which is used for color correction and as a concealer. I'm taking this orange color on my fingertips and applying it on the areas where it is pigmented, which is under my eyes and around my mouth. It is very pigmented. I'm applying this orange collector to correct my skin tone. When we apply foundation on dark areas, it gives an ashy look at the end. So that's why we use orange corrector to minimize that ashy look. I'm taking this skin shade to cover up the orangeness on the face. I have some redness on the face. I'm using this blue shade from the palette to cover that redness. Applying the skin shade to cover up the blue shade. Covering up the pigmented areas and redness on face with skin color is called concealing. You can use a normal concealer too. Next, I'm applying Sugar Pop foundation. Taking a pump of foundation on my hand, spreading it all over my face with a flat foundation brush. Applying some foundation on eyes and on neck. Spreading it with the foundation brush. Using this spongy beauty blender and dabbing it all over my face and neck to blend the foundation properly on the face. Blending the foundation with beauty blender will make your foundation stick into your skin. Next, I'm applying a face powder so that the foundation sticks to the skin and mattifying the face. You could even use a compact powder to mattify the foundation, but here I choose a normal face powder to mattify my face. Applying some powder on my neck too. Next, with the brow pencil, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. First, I'm brushing it off all the powder from the eyebrows, and then I'm going to draw on my brows to fill out the gaps and giving it a shape. brushing it off to spread it properly on my brows. Drawing it on the other side. And brushing it off, spreading it evenly on the eyebrows. Next, I'm using Wet n Wild Peach Blush. By using this angled brush, I'm applying the blush on my cheeks. You have to apply it by keeping this fish mouth position so that the blush is applied neatly on the cheeks. I'm applying some blush on the tip of my nose for a peachy warm effect to my makeup, but it's your wish to apply it on your nose or not. Next, I'm applying Sugar Pop eyeliner on my upper lash line. You can wear a perfect eyeliner when you practice more and more until you succeed to wear a proper eyeliner. I'm drawing a minimal winged eyeliner for my minimal makeup look. Next, I'm applying Maybelline Colossal Mascara on my eyelashes. Next, I'm applying this peach shade liquid lipstick from Just Herbs. After finishing the whole makeup, I'm gonna use this inside makeup fixer to make my makeup stay for a long time. Let it dry for a few seconds. And then you're done with your makeup.
This step-by-step procedure on how to do makeup has helped you learn the basics of wearing your makeup. In this video, what I have shown is the simple basic steps on how to do your makeup, and if you wanna learn more further, then please subscribe me, encouraging me to do more videos on more makeup looks further. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, share and subscribe for making more videos like this. Hope to see you on my next video. Until then, bye bye.